When performing analysis of particles, scanning electron microscope data can pose unique challenges due to variation and noise. In the past, this analysis would be done manually. An operator would measure the particle diameter. This manual process was extremely time-consuming, especially for larger sample sets. As we apply our recipe, we see that MIPAR can quickly and accurately detect and classify the particles into coarse and fine. In addition, it automatically outputs the area fraction of both types of particles. Once the particles have been identified, it's relatively straightforward to then produce a summary report. All these capabilities, detection, area fraction measurement, and report generation, are also available when processing batches of images.